No matter if you're a science enthusiast, a history lover, or simply curious to discover new things, you'll find a diverse range of fascinating topics here that will capture your attention and enrich your knowledge. So, get ready to shift your brain in a different direction and be amazed by these 10 interesting things that you probably haven't learned about until now. Let's embark on a journey through the universe of surprising knowledge and discover together things that will make you say, wow. Dachshunds with blue around their mouths. Some specimens of this breed can exhibit temporary fur discoloration around their mouths, creating the appearance of a blue spot. This is caused by a chemical reaction in contact with the white soaps used for washing them. Ants and agriculture. Certain ant species practice agriculture, cultivating fungi to serve as their food. They even have farms of fungi in their colonies and tend to them in a similar way to how humans tend to crops. Charles Darwin's fossil hope. In 1881, Charles Darwin discovered an extremely rare bird in the Galapagos Islands, known as the fossil hope, or Darwin's finch, Fringilla darwinii. It is considered an evolutionary link between the ancient ancestor of birds and modern birds. Map colors around the world. Most world maps depict Europe at the center, a cartographic tradition dating back to the Renaissance. This was the result of the geographical perspectives of European map makers of that time. Shark hearts. Sharks have remarkable hearts. A shark's heart can beat at highly variable rates, sometimes as slow as 1 beat per second to conserve energy, or as fast as hundreds of beats per minute during intense hunting periods. Closing eyes while sneezing. It's not possible to sneeze with your eyes open. The reflex to close your eyes while sneezing is an involuntary and protective response of the body to prevent particles from reaching the eyes. Tasting the 5 basic flavors. The human tongue can detect 5 basic flavors: sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and umami. The idea that certain parts of the tongue are responsible for detecting specific flavors is mostly a misconception. The largest living organism, a mycelium, the underground part of fungi, of Armillaria ostoyi, known as the aspen grove fungus, spans over an area of more than 2.4 billion hectares in the Malheur National Forest of Oregon, USA. Underwater mountains. The Himalayas are not the only gigantic mountains in the world. Beneath the ocean's surface, there are mountain ranges that are larger and longer than the Himalayas. For example, the Mediterranean Ridge, which includes the Alps, features some of the world's tallest mountains. Neural connections of the brain. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, and each neuron can form thousands of connections with other neurons. This highly complex system forms the foundation for thinking, emotions, and cognitive processes. Thus, we've explored these curiosities that reveal the ever-present remarkable surprises in the surrounding world. Whether seeking new information or simply looking to broaden our horizons, these interesting facts bring us closer to the complexity and diversity of the world we inhabit. Through knowledge, we can enrich our experience and connect more deeply with the mystery and beauty of human understanding.